2005 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.